What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Trey Jones. Today we're going to be talking about Trey magazine and also the Adolescence Relapse Prevention Planner, okay? Both of these are awesome resources, not only help you with your mental health, but also substance abuse, okay? I know many of you deal with substance abuse, many of you are using to help cope with whatever mental health element that you're going through, okay? That was something that I did. It was unfortunate, but guys, I want to give you another opportunity to take advantage of resources that are out there, all right? We will actually be doing a free giveaway of these products. I will show you how to enter that, and I'll be announcing it next video, but you have to watch the end of the video to get the details on how to enter, because that shows that you're actually interested and serious about this. But the first thing, guys, is Trey magazine. I'll give you a close-up, beautiful design. Their link will be down below, as well as a link for the Adolescence Relapse Prevention Planner. It's a tongue twister. But here, I want to give you a close-up. This is an awesome magazine. I went through it, of course, whenever I got it. It's actually been a while. This is actually their August-September edition. The thing that I really love about it is that it talks about other categories of mental health that I really don't cover on this channel. For instance, you can see it right here, borderline personality disorder, okay? Narcissistic abuse, right? Eating disorders. But it also covers other aspects of mental health. Each month is gonna be different, but I love it because there's a huge dynamic. And the cool thing about this, guys, is I learned that there were many other YouTubers out there doing the same thing that I'm doing, either talking about substance abuse, recovery from drugs or alcohol, but also people talking about mental health. I really had zero clue. Before this magazine, I literally thought there was like 10 of us in the game right now trying to help people with mental health. Pretty much almost every single person in here I had never heard of, and then I saw that their channel was actually pretty successful and big. So that's amazing. So there's tons of YouTubers. There's also tons of mental health professionals that write throughout this. Now I'll give you kind of a look through, but you can go on their site, guys, and actually check out some of the pages and a close-up so you can get a taste of what you would be getting. It's just really amazingly put together, guys. I'll show you that. My favorite story was actually in the back. You could actually see the guy. He dealt with substance abuse, and now he's sharing his story and he's using it to empower other people, and that's what it's all about. That's what I love to do, and this guy's definitely doing it. He has YouTube, obviously Instagram. Graham Lichner. Give you a close up. But I loved his story. It showed the struggles of addiction. I could really relate with that. That's something that I dealt with. And guys, if you don't know anything about me, whenever I was dealing with my anxiety, I would actually use alcohol to cope with the pain. I did this day in and day out, all right? So substance abuse with my anxiety, it went hand in hand. And I know many of you are struggling. It's kind of how this channel started out. I talked a lot about trying to put alcohol behind me and to get over that, and because it was affecting my mental health, all right? And of course, I've mentioned this in many other videos. I've told you how drinking alcohol or using drugs just prolongs your recovery. Not only obviously from the drug of choice, but your anxiety recovery or your mental health recovery, right? It only just puts it on the back burner. You may think that it's relieving your symptoms or your negative thoughts in the moment, but the next day is a living hell, and that's what it was for me, because I would have anxiety or anxiety hangovers. And it was a nightmare. So all my symptoms were much worse. So I had to actually put that aside and actually work on, my alcohol problem to help me get over my anxiety disorder. It made my chances of recovery much higher. But I love the idea behind Trey magazine. Again, their link will be down below. Tons of amazing stories in here, guys. I don't have an hour to share with you each story, but these are amazing. I learned a lot because, like I said, they're talking about things like borderline personality disorder, narcissistic abuse, eating disorders, HSP, which is a highly sensitive person. I learned so many things, and there's so many other issues that you guys are dealing with that I don't necessarily address on this channel. So please take that seriously. That will be down below. Remember, stick around. I'm going to show you how you can get this magazine for free. Yes, I will ship it to you for free. Now, the next thing that's very awesome, the Adolescence Relapse Prevention Planner. Like I said, that is for some reason a tongue twister for me. But this is amazing, and I'm going to tell you. When I saw adolescence, I was like, oh, so this is, for 12-year-olds to 17-year-olds. And I was like, so this is kind of aimed at children. Well, I go through here and look, and I'm like, holy crap, this could have helped me in my 20s. And I'll be honest with you, if you're 55 and you're going through any type of addiction, because this isn't just for alcohol or just for drugs, this is also for nicotine or even caffeine, okay? This is to help you prevent relapse, which is a huge deal when it comes to recovery, because it's not necessarily the relapse that's terrible, it's what you do after the relapse. So if you can keep the relapse to a minimal, okay, your chances of recovering obviously is gonna be much, much higher. So this is a workbook. It's gonna hold you accountable. It's gonna keep you proactive, which is very important. Let me show you one of my favorite spots actually in this whole workbook, because this would have meant the world to me. You can see the consequences of substance abuse. All right, so it goes through many things that you obviously would check off. And the idea is you come through here and you look at it and you're like, holy crap, this is the consequences for me using this substance. And look at all these things that can be checked. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, I would have had quite a few checks on here and I would have been like, wow. Because for some reason, when you see everything visually in front of you and you have all of these horrible things checked out, it's gonna do something up here. It's gonna help things click and be like, wow, what am I doing to my life, right? So there are tons, it would take you a very, very long time to get through this book, which is amazing. And again, I will put that down below. Here's some other examples. Guys, it's tons of actual exercises and tools, things that are gonna hold you accountable, goals. It actually requires you to write down your own tombstone, your obituary, right? So it really, really holds you accountable and enlightens you, okay? And motivates you to put away your substance abuse forever. So once again, I'll show you a close-up of this. So guys, how can you get both of these things for free? Because I do want to do a free giveaway. I don't do giveaways often, or actually I've never technically done a giveaway on my YouTube channel. I will ship both of these to a lucky winner. Make sure to only do this if you really want this, right? So if you're watching to this point, obviously you're interested. What we will do is that you need to like this video first off, okay? You need to go down in the description. You need to follow Trey Magazine on Instagram. The next step is you need to leave a comment. Tell me why you would like to get this or check out this product. And then you need to leave me your email. So in next video, I will pick a winner. I'm gonna do a drawing, and then I will email you if you won, and I will ship it to you for free. So how about that? I'm gonna show you another close-up once more. This is Trey Magazine, and then the Adolescent Relapse Prevention Planner. Sign up for their subscription. It will be down below. You won't regret it. It's an awesome investment, and I hope you guys take advantage of it. I love you guys. Stay tuned for next video. We'll do the drawing and we will see who actually wins this and gets this shipped to them for free. So thanks guys. I will talk to you later. Bye.